I'm not sure what got captured on the last one because the battery died. It's my birthday. Check it out. We have floor panels. They're not on yet. They're just kind of sitting there. It's a big step. Big step. You can see all the runs though, and all the spots that I said F it and move back to the top to finish, because this thing tried to take about 2 gallons of paint to paint. So I just said, frig it. Frick it. You know, didn't even paint inside here. Freak it. Anyways, so now I can start getting things down for the exo set. So let me see what we have here. Got a bag of 1,982 million rivets. Got some bolts, some screws, and some grommets. Got some brackets for the covers or something. Got an adapter thing. I got a bearing that's for, I don't know what that's for. I got some Exomotive sport hardware package list. Mountain hardware package list. Then I got some more brackets. And some more brackets. And some of this, which I don't even know what this is for. Maybe for the body panels? I'm not really sure. 10,000 more rivets. Some more grommets. Some more screws and nuts. Standoffs for the gas tank. Some more brackets. 10,000 more rivets. Some little fastener things for brake components. 2 flare nuts. Yeah, that's not gonna work anymore. I need to make a trip to Harbor Freight today to get a rivet gun, because I am not going to. What's good? I'm not going to drill these in. I think you just rivet them in. There's like random holes. I mean, these are for like if you get water in it. I'm not really sure. And yeah, check it out. Cool, cool. Quite dirty, they've been sitting for a long time. Whoa. Cool, cool. Alright, well, I guess it's off to Harbor Freight. was good, man. So floors are in. I gotta put those thingies in back there. These things. Here, hold up. Let me show you guys. I feel like could have not sprayed these, and I could have not sprayed underneath here. Saved a bunch of paint. And over there, the bath bars, whatever. Okay, so I can put these on, and then I'll work on the front ones. But for now, I'm going to drill these awkwardly like this. As soon as I find my drill. Let's do. Pretty sure these are exactly the same. These things here. Actually, they're. Yeah, mirror images. Okay. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna do the middle one first. And yeah, alright. So these are in, floors are in. I started using big rivets over there, and then they started hanging over the edge and looking like crapola. So then I switched to the small rivets, but these will be behind the seats. Nobody will notice. I believe those holes are for harnesses. So honestly, I have no idea what those holes are for, because you got a hole here, you got a hole there, which is for I don't know. Get a hole there, maybe for stock seat belts. I'm not really sure. Shoot, we can run stock seat harness all day. Now I'm gonna work on the front. The front panels here. Wait. Alright, work on closing up the front here. I can't put the tunnel on yet, obviously, but I'll just put these on. I gotta go find them though. This one goes there. I had to cut it. I think this one goes like. Alright, I got these on, firewall. Totally jacked this up right here because there's no space, so I've just accepted that I'm gonna have to repaint a lot of things. Just chips everywhere, as everybody's warned me of, you know, but it's to be expected. What are you gonna do? Don't know who's calling me, but yeah, so now I'm gonna rack it, lift it, and then I gotta put the suspension on. I'm gonna start putting the suspension on, then I'm gonna put the steering on. Because I wanna put the steering on so I can do steering things, so I can mount the steering permanently. So I gotta put the booster on, and yeah, cool, alright. Alright, I got something in my eye. That wraps up this so far. So I got the rear subframe on, not all the way, but for the most part. I got the, I'm trying to line up the front one. Remember, these back ones are just a pain in the butt to get these holes to line up back here. But yeah, it's finally kind of coming together. I gotta order, I think before I throw the transmission or the engine in, or think about this. I don't know, I could just throw it in. I do gotta put the input shaft in before I put, so I gotta rebuild the tranny before I put it in, because I don't want to, like, yeah. Got the panels on the firewall here, looking good. I gotta get my phone here, vacuum up all the rivets and all that stuff, and it's got all jacked up. It's greasy or something. Anyways, but yeah, so that's where I'm at. We'll catch you guys later. I don't know if my hair did emo, so I'll catch you guys later, dudes. Whatever, I don't even care. Yeah, subframes, then I'll get the suspension on, and I'm trying to find tires. Like I said before, I don't want to buy nice tires and then have them just flat spot from sitting for so long, so I'm deciding if I should just buy the tires or not. Alright, I will catch you guys later. Peace.